Hi, my name is Virginia Taylor, and I'm a freshman in Professor Sands' SPT 274 class. I'm here today to demonstrate how one would use a sum function in a table to calculate the sum of data. So here's my table that I've created for Ondas Networks, which is a networking company, and this is an employee salaries table. So we have employee Jim Taylor, Tyler Migliozzi, and Paul Wagner, and these are their respective salaries. And in order to create a sum function or a totals column, I'm going to hit the total row, which will automatically calculate the total sum of the data in my table. And just to neaten this up a little, so for Ondas, the HR reps are the ones who check the salary payments monthly. So I'm going to change this title to Total Employee Monthly Salary. Total of employees monthly salaries. And as you can see, you can't see all of the data on the table once I've hit enter. So I'm also going to demonstrate how one would wrap text. So you would go to the home from the tables tab, you'd go to the home tab and hit this button to wrap text so that all of the text can be or is visible. And then this number is in black, but since it's a total, I'm going to change it to white to match the other data in the table. Oh, and just a side note, my wrap text button might look a little different than one on a PC would look, because I'm using the Mac version of Excel. So I would just like to point out that companies such as Ondas and other businesses use Excel in order to calculate different financial records, keep track of data, and just due to all of the different functions that Excel offers in order to calculate data consistently and accurately versus having like an employee crunch in the data and make an error in calculation along the way. Excel, as long as the functions are typed in correctly, will never make those mistakes, which is really one of the many benefits to using Excel. So I hope this was helpful in demonstrating how to calculate the total sum of data in a table as well as how to wrap text. Thank you.